haven't started the car in 5 weeks, and so I'm going to do a cold start video, which I personally have never done before, and hopefully this makes sense. But here is proof that it's a cold start. I'm now going to touch the exhaust manifold, which is cold, and then we'll head over to the power switch here, turning it on. I've already set the switches for ignition and the aim system, so that will probably be lit up before we get into the car. There it is. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you here. I'm going to push the start button, and again, I haven't started the car in 5 weeks now. So making sure it's in neutral. And here we go. You can see it started right up. Cold start video of the race car, and hopefully you'll have a chance to view the video I'm going to post with the last time the car was on the track, which was earlier this year, and that's the last time I've used it.